Hi, I'm KS. I'm the founder of 3+I Design Studio. 3+I Design Studio is an interior design company which provides design or design build service in local. We are specializing in office, F&B and retail commercial, as well as mid to high-end residential space design. When come into renovation, people always have three concerns: direction, value, and timeline. In 3+I, our team understands our client needs from the beginning. It's just like a bubble diagram. We always try to explore more basic concepts in early stage and link them together in order to achieve the carcass of the design. We have our sister company, Jason Carpentry, and all different kind of professional subcon team for supporting us. And this ensures what our design is what the outcome will be. Our ops team will always make sure we hand over on time, and we always take defect fixing, touch up as our first priority.